Welcome back to the dream build. Now, if you've been following our videos, you'll remember the last one was put up in the first week in December. That was week 8, but unfortunately we had a bereavement, and then of course it went into Christmas and New Year. January and February, the weather's awful on building sites, so we completely closed it down until now. On a happy note, Laura and I got married on February the 9th, then went on our honeymoon, so we're back on site. You'll see over in the far corner, Mr. and Mrs. DIY's headquarters there. The guys are just finishing the roof off, making it watertight. But we're going to get the main set of builders back in the first week in April and carry on with the main house. You can see we're ready now for the first floor. So keep tuned in and watch our videos.